Hello dear students. Today our topic is chapter 2, more on Ubuntu. Now you will say, ma'am, what is Ubuntu? So let's see. Ubuntu, previously known as Ubuntu Education Edition, was an official derivative of Ubuntu operating system designed for use in classrooms inside schools, homes and communities. So Ubuntu पहले Ubuntu Education Edition के नाम से रिलीज हुआ था, जो कि एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है स्पेशली डिजाइन फॉर क्लासरूम्स एंड होम्स. नाउ यू विल से, मैम अभी तो आपने Ubuntu नया नाम लिया था, अब ये Ubuntu क्या हुआ? तो Ubuntu is a Linux distribution based free and open source software. Free means you don't have to pay any cost for it, and open source software means open source software is the one in which the source code can be freely used, changed and shared. मतलब फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट उसको आप इंटरनेट से डाउनलोड करके यूज कर सकते हैं. So Ubuntu is a popular operating system for cloud computing. So what is cloud computing then? So cloud computing means you can store data on internet. Now look at the logo of Ubuntu. This is the logo of Ubuntu and this is the logo of Ubuntu. See the difference? Ubuntu and Ubuntu. Ubuntu has many utility programs for day-to-day applications and entertainment. Now, as our chapter is more on Ubuntu, so in this chapter we are going to see RIP. RIP means copy CD to your computer, then burning audio CD, exploring pictures, BlitchBit application, more on Ubuntu like touch screen, workspaces, Ubuntu mobile edition, sound recorder, playing games, Shotwell photo manager, then changing height and width of window, displaying two windows at a time and moving a window. So this video is gonna to be long if I'll cover all the topics in this video. So few topics we will cover in this video and the rest of the topic we will cover in the second part of this video. Now come to the RIP process. What is the RIP? Ripping process is transferring data from CD or DVD to a computer. And what is burning process then? Burning process is transferring data or say copying data from computer to a CD. Why we are using these words? Because in Ubuntu, for copying data from CD to computer, we will use word RIP, and for copying data from computer to a CD or DVD, we will use the word burning. Now, we will see more on Ubuntu. Ubuntu has many utility programs for day-to-day applications and entertainment, such as calculator, notepad, video games, Rhythmbox music player, VLC media player, CD DVD burner, sound recorder, system tools, etc. Firstly, we will see Rhythmbox music player. So what is it? The Rhythmbox music player is nothing but a software used for listening music, managing playlist and podcast. Now here the term comes podcast, which is new for you. So let us understand what do you mean by podcast. The term podcast is similar to broadcast. Podcast refers to any audio, video or digital media that is distributed to any computing device, that is portable media players or personal computers. So podcasts are nothing but the audio video files which you can listen or watch through any portable media player. Now come to the Rhythmbox music player again. So Rhythmbox music player is for listening music, managing playlist and podcast. You can also listen to radio stations from all over the world if internet connection is available. This software also allows you to play and copy the audio files stored in a CD or DVD. How? Let us see. Insert an audio CD in the CD drive. When you insert any CD or DVD, the audio disc dialog box will appear, which prompts you to choose an application to run a CD. So here we will choose the Rhythm Box. Now, the Rhythm Box window opens with the list of songs stored in the CD. Click on the check boxes next to any song that you don't want to rip. When you are done with the selection process, click on the Extract button located on the top bar of the right panel, as shown in the figure. The ripping process starts, means it will start copying the songs from your CD to computer. Its progress can be seen in the copying tracks to the library progress bar present at the bottom of the panel. Look here at this section. To stop the ripping process at any point, click on the radio button next to the progress bar here. Once the Rhythm Box finishes copying each track, the extracted files will appear in the library under the music folder. The default extension of audio file is .ogg vorbis. So remember this, that default extension of audio file here is .ogg vorbis. To change the format while extracting audio files from a CD, follow the given steps. Click on the Edit menu and select the Preferences option. The Rhythm Box Preferences dialog box appears. Click on the Music tab. Select the desired format by clicking the drop-down menu of Preferred Format and then click on the Close button. So in this manner, you can change the format while extracting audio file from a CD. Now come to the burning audio CD. Burning audio CD means now we are transferring songs from computer to your CD. So it is possible to copy music from computer onto a CD so that it can be played in another CD player. To perform this operation, you must have a CD writer installed in your computer system, and here the CD writer is Brasero, which is a simple application to burn, copy and erase a CD or DVD. So how we'll do now? Let's see. Insert a blank CD in the CD drive. Now select the dash icon. Look at the icon and type either Brasero or Brasero Disk Burner in the search bar. When the application icon is displayed, click on it to open. This Brasero window will appear on the screen. Now select the audio project. Then the Brasero new audio disk project dialog box will appear as shown in the figure. Click on the Add Files to the Project button to add files to your project. The Select Files dialog box appears. Select the files from the left pane under the Places category. The selected files will appear in the right pane. Now click the Add button located at the bottom right corner of the dialog box. The selected files will appear in the Brasero new audio disk project dialog box. Then select the Burn button to write the files in the CD. A new window appears that allows you to select the burning speed from the drop-down menu. You can also make several copies by selecting the Burn Several Copies tab. Again click on the Burn button. The burning process will start. Burning means copying data from your computer to the CD will start. Once the CD is burned, means once the copying process is being done, you will get the message that audio CD successfully burned like this. Click on the close button to come out from the process. Here one point to remember is Brasero does not support Blu-ray disc. So in today's video we have seen Ubuntu, their logos, then we have seen what is ripping process and burning process, and after that we have understood the Rhythmbox music player. I think this much is enough for this video. Now we will meet in the next part of this video. So thank you for listening me. Bye bye for now.